TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's Tuesday. It's 9 a.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes to go until the opening bell, and we have markets off to the downside. We have the Dow negative 412 currently, the futures down about 1.6%, trading 24,882. S&P futures currently off by 39 or 1.4%, trading at 2717, and NASDAQ futures leading the way in negative territory, off 125 points, 1.75%, trading at 7,030. We'll start things off this morning. We'll take a look at the VIX. Quite a spike we're seeing, as you would expect. VIX, the volatility index for premium priced in particularly the S&P, spiking to 2466, currently trading 2352. With that in mind, let's jump over to the Nadex platform, jump through some of the futures markets. We'll start things off with the Dow. So it's basically been an acceleration to the downside from the close yesterday. There's your close about yesterday, 25,318. And from there, the market's sliding to negative territory for most of the overnight session. Things accelerating a bit right at around 7:30. Dow futures trading 24,887. NASDAQ 100, pretty much the same story. Yesterday, we closed at 4 p.m. and from there, basically downward most of the overnight session. NASDAQ 100 trading 7,031. S&P 500, again, sliding to negative territory for the entire overnight trading session. Currently, the S&P 500 trading 2715. Gold getting a bid with some negative action in the market. Really begins to take off at about 2 a.m. from 1226. We're now $14 above that level. Pulling up the crude contract as well. Crude just under $68, trading to negative territory for most of the overnight session. We will get the EIA numbers this morning, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time in crude. And to finish it off, we'll pull up Bitcoin. Bitcoin, been pretty tame. There we go. We'll get it up there. Currently trading 64.18, somewhat in the range that it's been at for a few weeks going now. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, it is earnings season. Some of the earnings weighing on the market this morning, as you have Caterpillar shares diving 7% after they say material costs are rising because of the tariffs. On the flip side, you have McDonald's shares rising as menu price increases fuel earnings, and chip stocks. We'll see what happens there. Talking about could they plunge further? The SMH, those chip stocks. Let's see, check out that SMH. Looking open pretty much flat, but been trading to negative territory recently. Stay tuned. We'll got our man Larry Pesavento, coming up at 9 a.m. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great Tuesday, everybody.